The time. Now we're a little off center, so let's center it up. Here, it's coconut. It's like one of the best oils for you. All right, we took and we drained the garlic. Make sure none landed on there. Oh man, it's sticking to the plate. Normally I put that in the fridge. Today I didn't. And you know something? Let's get it. Very rarely used teaspoon. Actually, today we're going to be lefty. Sprinkle some garlic. Whatever. No one's going to want to talk to me tomorrow. Especially those vampires out there. Tonight we were going to cook one thing, and then at the very last minute it changed. All right, I'm going to do a quick pause for the cause as I clean up my garlic fingers. Dollar Tree started offering this minced garlic. I started cooking with it. When I make my sauce, I don't, but you know, in a pinch, it's golden. This is chopped spinach from Hanover. I was gonna like defrost it, and then I wanted to do this. Always trying something new. Welcome to my channel. I love broccoli rabe, and I love spinach, and I love broccoli. I love Brussels sprouts, cauliflower. Oh wait, cauliflower isn't green. Still, if you cook it properly, it tastes delicious, especially when you caramelize it. Gives it an added layer of flavor. Oh, this is going to be insane. There's going to be so much moisture in this. This is why I did not want to defrost it. All right. Pause to the cause. It's time for some eggs. All right, there's our 9 eggs. It's time to mush all the yolks down and the eggs into the spinach. We have to redistribute the egg everywhere. That's our binding agent. Pushing the spinach down. Trying to move some of that yolk around. All right, quick pause for the cause. All right, this is Parmesan Romano, but we're just going to call it grated cheese from now on. We already have a bubble Gotta bust that bubble. Don't want to cook it with the bubble. Alright, last but not least, we have some sun-dried tomatoes that have been marinating in balsamic vinegar for probably more than a month. Decorating my top of my frittata, the sun-dried tomatoes. All right, we gotta pop that. That is adding a little extra something. Push it all down a little. That's it. There's my frittata. We're good to go. Put some of that there. Don't want to wash it into the sink. Want to put it back on my frittata. All right. Something different. Only on my channel.